Alrighty guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're working on tearing down a 318 Mopar small block. That's a race engine. We built it for a customer about 1.5 years ago. It's in for freshen up. And we've got a major issue going on, so we're going to see if we can save this block for the customer. Alrighty guys, if you like the content so far, please like the video so we can spread it to more people. Obviously subscribe, click the little bell so you get notified every time we upload a video, and comment down below any questions, anything you want to learn, or any comments you got. Alrighty guys, so as we can see on this side, we've got a crack in this cylinder. It's not too terrible, but there is a crack where some of the water was coming from that we've seen in the oil pan. The customer obviously noticed it. On this side of the block, not looking too great. We got some pinholes in there. Got a crack that runs most of the length of the cylinder. It's probably hard to see on the camera. So we'll obviously have to sleeve this one as well. But obviously we'll continue. We'll sonic check all the others, magnaflux them, make sure we've got no other cracks going on. And depending on how thin these cylinders are, we may have to sleeve all of them, or if the customer decides to go a different route. So we'll get everything checked. We'll let him know what we found, and we'll keep y'all updated throughout the rest of the progress on this. Guys, I want to thank y'all for tuning in. We'll get with the customer, get everything situated on the block, see what all we're working with, and what our options are, and what he wants to do. And we'll keep y'all updated throughout the rest of the progress on this, as if we continue doing machine work and refreshing this, or if we go a different route. But thank y'all for tuning in, and we'll see y'all next time.